Hey loves, welcome back to Level of Things channel. I hope everyone is well. On this video we're doing a Romoss power bank unboxing. I have all these three. I have one actually, and then the other two I recommended from my parents according to their needs. Like the small one, the Pure5, I got it from my mom because she would just use it just as a daily thing when she runs out of power and she needs to charge her phone. Nothing hectic. For myself personally, I use it to travel, and I have the Sense4, that's the black one. It's been through the most. Excuse the sides right now. It's been through the most. I use that to charge my phone. I would charge my watch. I would also charge my GoPro when I go somewhere. At least I know I can charge at least 3 or 4 devices in just one go. I decided to do this video because I personally love the brand. I've had my power bank, the Sense4, for a couple of months now. I've had no issues with it whatsoever. So the first one that we're going to go through is the Pure5. It's super cute. You have an on button and also an indicator of how much power that you still have. I love the ultra thin design, which you could just fit everything into your bag and you wouldn't even recognize it's there. It has one input, which is a micro USB, and then 2 USB outputs, so you can charge 2 phones simultaneously. And the second one is the Sense4, and it has a power button too, so it just indicates for you how much power that you're going to have. And then it has 2 inputs, the USB and also the Type C, and then it has 2 output outlets, so you can charge 2 devices at the same time. It has a display also, and you can also get these in black, or you can get them in white. The third one is the Romoss OM10, and then it also has 3 inputs. So the Type C, USB micro, and also the Apple Lightning. You can charge it. It has a dual charging ability, so you can charge 2 phones at the same time. And I just like how it displays how much of the percentage you have on it. I personally love the brands, and I hope you do too. If you would like to make a decision what kind of brand that will be reliable, I have no problem with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I shall see you next time, maybe on another travel trip, or I could just check more gadgets that I like to have when I am traveling.